Okay, now we are in the last part of this tutorial, and we want to see the result. But before we jump to the conclusion, I want to highlight some points which I modified, and it's better you know about that. Let's jump to the block part, and if you remember, we made this block part all together. And for this part of the connect and disconnect, basically in my previous tutorial I used the background color, which was not what I expected. It's better to use the text color because I want to change the color of the text. So that's why now you can see this part is a text color. This is also is text color. This is one of the change which you would need to take into account compared to my previous tutorial. The second part is I removed some of the equal value here in the logic. For example, smaller or equal or greater than equal. I changed to just only greater or smaller. So this is the second part which I changed. And the third item which I want to explain is related to clock. By default, I think it is the 1000 or 2000, but you have to make it is 100. Otherwise, you will see some error in your app. So please take into account about this point as well. The last part is related to the beautifying of the front end. And if you watched the first video related to the front end, then you will understand it's we can say that very change happened compared to that front end. So what I have done, just the first item is that the most of the background I used the none for the background. I changed this part to the none because I already used the one background color, so I wanted to have the harmony between all these parts together. This is the one of the change which I made. And also I changed the color of the text, which you can find here. I changed the color for all this text. And the third one is change the font of these numbers. So you will see the font is 60, and I changed this font. And also for this part as well, I made the color of that to be, oh yeah, here the pink color I made it. Yeah, that's all. These are all the changes which are happened during this tutorial compared than my we can say the fact that the last one, and I want to highlight here about this point. So let's see that about the results of this the app, and then we'll get back. Okay, we arrived to the end of this tutorial, and I hope you like this tutorial and it helped you to get some idea about the IoT stuff. I'm trying to deep dive into practical IoT. We can say that the point of view which will help you to use these points for your own projects. But again, if you have some idea and you think that is required for you to know more about that, please write your suggestion in comments below. Definitely I will read them and provide you the tutorial about that topic. So please help me to grow my channel, and also to support me with your like, comment, and also share the videos, and it encouraged me to put more time in this channel and provide you more content about the IoT stuff. Thank you again, and see you next one.